How to see estimated charging time on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and now scroll down and tap on the battery option you see there. Now, if you want to see your estimated charging time, then make sure that your iPhone is plugged into your charger in order to see the estimated charging time. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the full charging time based on your iPhone's charge limit. So, for instance, my charge limit is set to 80%, so my iPhone requires 17 minutes in order to charge it up to 80%. You can also scroll down and tap on the charging option you see there and go ahead and change the charge limit if you want. And further, the charge limit and the estimated charging time will be shown accordingly, as you can see here on the screen. So, this is how you can see estimated charging time on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.